Go. Describe the working relationship of NCCP and 3KP.
Wow. Isa siguro sa pinakamagandang na witness ko in working with the NCCP is yung in the 3KP ay yung partnership ng dalawa in terms of appreciation ng bawat isa. Yung 3KP as a ecumenical youth movement na merong sariling organization, may sariling body, may sariling leadership. At the same time, yung NCCP works with them and is organically linked with them in terms of advancing yung ating ecumenical agenda. Nakikita siya, syempre, in programmatic expressions. Like, for example, dahil ang NCCP ay may youth desk, nag-work siya with the 3KP with different programs and in different capacities also. Hindi lang sa programs, pero yung tulungan ng bawat isa ay nandoon, especially in catering with yung services to the people, especially dun sa ecumenical youth natin, in terms of leadership formation, in terms of working with services, no? So yun, resources-wise, nagtutulungan din yung dalawa at the same time, yung gifts and talents ng young people ay talagang na-maximize din sa council.